start wondering, how did he get that much health? I sort of started playing a bit, and I found an energy tank, so... Yeah, welcome back to Let's Play Metroid, and oh god, what the hell, glitch, please don't do this. Yeah, so I just saved state after finding that energy tank, and let's see, let's go down this time, no, let's just always go up. Let's hopefully find a long beam, that would be quite good, because if we found a long beam then, we wouldn't have to live with this stupid beam that randomly dissolves. This, oh, weird music. Could be onto something. God damn it. But this pathway isn't very long, is it? And I can't get in here. I need missiles, god dang it. Stupid missiles. No. Yeah, this is where I saved state. So yeah, let's try to find missiles, actually. That would be a good idea. Quite a good idea. I'm actually quite liking this game. It's quite colourful for an NES game, really. Background could use a bit more colour. Okay, so let's go through here, up here. I love the Brainstorm music, it's so awesome. So classic. I can't get up anymore. Where do I go from here? Do I go back? I'm lazy. Sorry about my laziness. I just love being lazy. It's so fun. Okay, so this is where I found the energy tank. It's luck. Just my luck. So no more farming for quite a while. So we've got 148 energy total right now. Let's try and get back and go up a bit more from that giant corridor thing. Mega lag. Come through. A bit faster loading the other screens, like areas. It's a bit annoying because, like, well, I suppose you need to see what's on the other screen before you die or something. Because you never know, there could be bloody Ridley on that screen. Wait, can I go? I can go down, I think? Yeah, let's go down. I haven't been down before yet. Door, where's the door? Give me a door. Please. I love you, game. Now this better lead to something. Oh god, we're down to 88 health. Perfect. Just right. Oh god, no, I hate these things. These annoying things. I need more health. Missiles! Yes! Sorry, rockets in this game. Oh my god, I'm blue. No. Must save state. Save. This game's so fun. And now, of course, we get rockets from enemies. So it's not always health anymore. Which sucks. Because I'm getting really low on it now. Come on, don't die. Don't die. Make it through here. I'm gonna get up here. What's through here? That's down to north there, I believe. I'm not gonna go down to north there quite yet. gonna farm some health here because I love doing that. Very fun. You get to see me farming health. I bet you cannot contain your excitement. I'm getting absolutely nothing. Hell, give me stuff. Oh god, lag. I killed something, yay. Puff. Death. Death by lava. Puff. I'm actually getting quite a lot of health from these pink ones. Pink ones are the best. I kind of lied, I guess. Let's try to get through here again. Oh no. Yeah, I'm gonna go back. God, how did that not hit? Oh god, 9 health. Okay, 14. That's better. 6. No. Okay, where are we? Okay, here. Good thing no. Screw it. I can't win. Sorry about if you're finding my mouse pad clicking annoying. I'm gonna use my USB mouse next episode. Okay. More health, yes, that's good. On the right track. Oh god, that scared me. Well, not really, you know what I mean. And then all of a sudden I just lost some health. Logic. Do you go up or down? Up. Get that? Yes. Okay. I'm better than last episode, I think. I'm certainly doing better. We got the missiles and then energy tanks. So far, nothing bad is really. Oh god. Well, we died a couple times. That's all. It's not really bad, is it? We just died. That's all that happened. And I've got to get through this again. Days. Oh no, no. Once I get the long beam, I'm going to be happy. Get through that area. Oh god, no battery. Wait. Oh, the episode's almost ended as well. Okay, I'm just gonna freeze game state here. Save. Place. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Slime playing Metroid. Thanks for watching. Yay.